In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or disable the ambient lighting function with the ambient mode on the YouTube videos. So if you want to make your YouTube videos experience more interactive, more pleasing, especially if you're watching video or a movie. So what you can do is basically, if you have installed the RGB lights on the back of your LCD, you can turn on that ambient lighting function so that based on the movie, it will use that RGB lights in order to give you more pleasing effect. So basically just remember that some of the videos might or might not support the ambient lighting function. So what you can do is you need to open and check for that relevant video. And after that you click on this settings gear icon. And from here you turn on the ambient mode. Like for this one, it's available, but it is not available usually in the preview mode. You have to make it full screen and then you click on this settings icon and then you turn on the ambient mode. Similarly, let's try any other video. For example, this one. I want to turn on the ambient lighting for this function as well, but right now it's not available. We make it full screen. We click on this and after clicking on the gear icon in the full screen, the ambient mode option should be there, and that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.